Hey, my name is Savannah Cheyenne, and this is my bucket list journey, where I try to cross 2,552 items off of my bucket list. Everything from travel to food to nature and fitness. Come along with me as I just say bucket. Hey guys, so it's been like forever since I've made a video. I kind of just took some time to like get my life together, focus on myself. I'm back. I am going to the pumpkin patch. Got some hot apple cider and some apple cider donuts. Oh no, it's a deflated pumpkin. I am so happy. These are the cutest cats. I'm not gonna adopt one. This is the best day of my life. Hi there, sweetie. You just came right up to me. I'm here and I got these thigh highs and they're not staying up and I'm having to like walk in the sand with these heels. We're starting the night off great.